Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Eltham Public School and this school is situated in Pune, Bazaar. Today our topic is more practice on place value and we have to learn today more practice on place value. Okay, so let's come on topic. There is an example given. What is this example? We have to write. The question is that is example write a place write a place and a place value and a place value of the color digit write a place and place value of the color digit. Okay, so that is there is a number 426. Firstly we have to write a place and place value. So place of 4 is that is 100 and place value that will be 400. Okay, so now find the sum of the place value of. There is an exercise that is 1.2. Come on, exercise 1.2. The questions are fill in the table. Question number 8. Fill in the table with the place and place value of each color digit. Place value of each colored digit. Okay, now the question is number. Here is number and that is place and place value. Number is the first number is 17362. 17362. Place of 6 is tens and place value of 6 is 60. Okay, now the next question is, that was question number 1. The next question is question number 2. 2130 2130 was 0. Okay, the next question is 6 lakh 95 951. 6 lakh 951. The place of 6 is lakh and the place value is 6 lakh. Okay, now come on next question. Write the digit. Next question, that is question number B. Write the digit that has the greatest place value. In the number. Greatest place value in the number. Okay, that is question number first is 26,743. sorry 26,473, 5,432, 9,12,345 and 78,123. We know that which number has greatest place value. So the number 9,12,345 has greatest place value. Okay, and now come on next question, that is write a digit that has the least place value in the number. Write a digit. Come on, question number C. Write a digit. Write a digit. Write a digit that has the least place value. Least place value in the number. Place value in the number. The numbers are 42,647, 6,15,440, 12,345 and 8,123. So the least place value, which number has least place value? The number is 8,123 has the least place value in the number. Okay. Now question number D. Come on, question number D. Build the number that has. Build the number. Build the number that has. Build the number that has. First question is 3 times. 3 times. 3 times. Sorry, 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s. 1,000. 1,000. 3 10,000. 1,000. 700. 700. 9 tens. 8 ones. Okay. The number is 3 10,000, that means 3 1,000 31,000 and 700 9 tens 8 ones. The number is 41,798. Come on, question number E. Come on, question number E, that is find the sum of the place value of 6 in each of the place. Place value of 6 in each of the following. In each of the following. Okay, the number is 1,606, 1,606, sorry, 6,006, 6,006, that is 6,006. Okay, 6,006. First question is 6,006. Firstly, we have to find the place value of 6, that is on 1's place, so the place value will be 6, and 6 is on 1,000 place, so the place value is 6,000. Now we have to find the sum, so 6 plus 6,000, that is 6,006. Okay. Now the next one is 69,696. 69,696. Here are 3 6. So place value of this will be 6, and that is on 100 place 600, and that is on 10,000 place. So 6 plus 600 plus 60,000, that is 60606, that is 60,606. Okay. Now come on next question. The next one is find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference of place value of 8 of the place value of 8 in each of the following. Okay, that is question number first is 8181. Now we have to find place value, that will be 80, and that is on 1000 place, so the place value will be 8000. Now we have to find the difference, so we have to separate 80 from 8000, that is 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 and 7, 7920. The next one is 7880. 7880. Here the place value of first 80 is 80 and the second 80 is 800. So we have to separate 80 from 800. That is 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 7, 720. Okay. Now come on next question. Observe the pattern. Observe the pattern. Observe the pattern. Observe the pattern and to fill in the blanks. Observe the pattern to fill in the blanks. First is 20,116 and 20,146. 20,146 and now 20,156. You can see here that 2 is adding on 10's place 1, 3, 5 and now 20,176, 20,196. Okay, 2 is adding on 10's place. Next one is 90,028. Second one is 90,028, 92,028. 2 is adding on 1000 place, 94,028, 96,028, 98,028. Now the next question is, now question number H is answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following by studying the place value of the basic. By studying the place value of the digit. Okay, the first question is how many thousands are there in 15,678. That is 15,000. How many thousand is there? 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. And now the next is question number 2 is how many tens are there How many tens are there in 31,282? That is 8 times. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in next video with new topic. Thank you. Bye bye.